fly. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm apologizing for the way I look today. I feel like I'm sweating so much, it's really horrible. We are currently going through a heat wave here in the UK and it's been like this for the past week and it's still gonna be like this for the next week. So I was like, okay, am I gonna film now or am I just gonna wait a little bit longer? But I think it doesn't really, you know, make a difference. It's not gonna change, like the temperatures are gonna be like this for a while. Which is really bad because this weather is not for me. Today I have a shopping haul for you. I actually bought a lot of stuff. That's not all. I got the other stuff, like I bought a couple of summer dresses. There was sale everywhere, like the sale was on everywhere in London, and I think it's because of the current situation and they actually like reduce everything by a lot, so it was kind of worth it, everything that I found. I also got a little Chanel unboxing for you guys today, and yeah, I would say let's just get into this. So let's start with this one. Oops. Oh, this is a dress from Self Portrait, and you might know that Self Portrait is quite an expensive brand. Their dresses are quite intricate, so it's really good quality, which basically you could say, you know, it justifies the price. But when I saw this one, it was reduced from like £380 to 50. So I was like, what? It's unbelievable, and this is more like a winter dress, something you can wear to special occasions only. But nevertheless, wait, let me show you. It is like full of sequins. I never had a like sequin dress. It's heavy as hell, like you can only wear to special occasions. It's thick, it's heavy, but it's really beautiful. Luckily I was able to try this one on in store. I mean, if you go to Zara, Topshop and those kind of stores, you still can't try anything on, of course, now. But with this one I was able to try it on and it looks really good, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna show you the dress in a second. And yeah, okay, let's get to the next one. Okay, so next up is just like a plain black dress from Topshop. But I really needed some summer dresses because it's so hot at the moment and I don't have a big selection of summer dresses. As you can see, the back is free. I hope you can, but I'll show you how it looks like on. This is dress number 2. Then I got another dress from H&M, which I thought, like I saw it on the puppet, on the mannequin, and it looked really good. So yeah, I'm gonna have to show you all of these dresses on. This is more like the high street category. Then I got like a really nice dress, which is a bit more expensive, from Casa Sola. This is really heavy as well. The material is really thick. It's really great quality. I could see maybe dressing this dress up with like a nice little pearl necklace and pearl earrings, and it looks really good. I show you all of these, just a quick summary of what I found. And this is an Alice McCall dress. This is only for special occasions as well. Whoops, let's see. Here we go. Oh, it is so hot today. Yeah, I just have to show you these on. I think that always helps. Okay, and then let's also look at what I got from Chanel. This is a pair of earrings, I can already tell you that. It's from the Metiers collection, from the 20A collection, and they already had some 20B pieces there. I did another shopping vlog, which is coming out next week, so it was pretty exciting. I didn't know they already had some 20B stuff in the stores, in the boutiques. This is still from the 20A collection, and it is a beautiful piece of jewellery. I try to keep my jewellery collection as small as I can, but if I find like really special pieces, I add them to my collection as well. Okay, so let me come a little bit closer again. Oh, it is so hot, it is absolutely horrible. So you have the little nice camellia flower, same as on the back. And yeah, let's see what's inside. Are we ready? this is really such a beautiful pair of earrings. I've got 4 pairs of Chanel earrings now. I got a bracelet as well. But this is a really special piece. So it comes with a little, you know, care information. Here we go. Whoops. And there they are. Let me quickly fix this so that you can see them properly, or they're a little bit twisted. Here we go. Oh, it's such a beautiful pair. You have like little pearl, you have some black, I think that's raisin, I don't know, I'm not quite sure. The beautiful gold, it's like a rich gold hardware, and yeah, I just think they're absolutely beautiful. Love them so much. I will show you now how they look like on. And then we get into the try on haul. Okay guys, so this is how the earrings look like on. Here we go. So yeah, I think they're absolutely stunning. I think they are a little bit more understated than the other ones that I have, because the CC is usually bigger in all the other ones that I own. Yeah, so here we go. Oh, I love them. They're really, really pretty. Yeah, and imagine them with like a really nice black dress. I think then the gold and the black will pop even more. So yeah, absolutely happy with how these ones look like. Okay, let's go and do the try on haul. Yeah, so this is the beautiful self-portrait dress, and it is so hot. It is absolutely horrible, so I'm not even trying to put like high heels on or anything now. Just imagine it like this. So I absolutely love it. I think it's a dress for very special occasions, predominantly during autumn and winter season. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I love how the sequins shimmer in the light, and yeah, I just think it's a very, very special piece. And I mean, from 380 to £50, you know, so I could not say no, especially because I feel like these are my colors, you know, all the little purples and pinks and black, of course, and yeah, I just absolutely love it. And I could see this one being my birthday dress. Yeah. Yeah, so this is just like the black dress, nothing special, but I think it's just a really nice plain black summer dress. And it has an open back, which is fabulous on days that are this hot. And yeah, by the way, so these are the beautiful new earrings, and that's what I mean. I mean, look how well it all goes together, you know, the black dress, then the little black details on the earrings, some nice big black sunglasses, and yeah, perfect summer outfit. Oh, I absolutely love it. So this is the H&M dress, and oh yes, couldn't be happier with it. I mean, it looks fantastic. Yeah, absolutely love it. Can't say a lot about this, I think. I mean, let me know what you think. But I think for H&M, this is quite nice, you know, if you dress it with a really nice bag again, it's perfect. Yeah, so what do we think of this one? I don't know, it kind of gives me like Stepford Housewives vibes. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I like it. Color is really nice, would go really well with my Louis Vuitton Pasadena bag. That's how I see it, and like I said, maybe with some really nice pearl necklaces, just to make it a little bit more special. Okay, so this one needs high heels, but I don't have my high heels here now, and I'm too lazy to get them. So I'm just gonna stand on my toes, and yeah, I mean, tell me what you think, but I think, of course, this is a very special occasions dress. But I don't know, I just like having the option of, you know, having a dress like this in my wardrobe, basically. But yeah, it's definitely a showstopper. Oh, I'm still dying from the heat. I chose the worst day to do a try-on haul, but hey, that's fine. So yeah, I mean, that was all the 5 dresses. Let me know what you think of them. And yeah, that's it.